Победиме! Това са първите две победи в историята на България. Българският отбор за първи път би два пъти подред. И днес ще бъде трети път. Три пъти.
Y hoy vamos a ganar a Bulgaria, lo vamos a demostrar hasta la final. Hoy será 2-1. ¡México! ¡México! ¡México!
The Bulgarians gather themselves to confront Mexico, first in its own group. Stoichkov quiets the partisan crowd early. Mexico draws even on a penalty kick. Both teams play roughly, afraid to make a mistake. 4 yellow cards each, 1 expulsion each. The game must go into the much criticized shootout. Tension shows as Mexico misses 3 straight penalties. Bulgaria is getting good at celebrating. In perhaps the biggest shock of this World Cup, Bulgaria will now stun Germany. Some of the old powers are suffering too.